All right, another beautiful day on the boat. And subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate all that. So look, bullish, 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 bullish. What I was anticipating or hoping for was a shooting star today. We're at the 61% retracement. And now I actually have been clocking it, and oh, I think I locked that. I'd like to see it trade back. I guess 44.97 wouldn't be a bad move back. I really thought we would see a shooting star today, but no, we've got tails to the downside. Looks like we might close up. We still got about a half hour, but it's a pretty quiet market. So, I mean, if things change, we'll look at it tomorrow. But, the bias is bullish at the moment. Here's a quick look at the 10-year. The 10-year is just grinding its way back down. Here's the daily. Momentum's fading off. I don't know, getting into the 16s. Yeah, we'll probably close that gap. 1.631, very possible. Maybe hit a little resistance at the 1688, which translates to 1.688. So yeah, we could probably see that. Look, I mean, you got a classic head and shoulders right here. So if we put that would be the neckline. So from here, the high of 1874 to a low of 17. So that's almost 2. So 17, 16, 15 and a quarter. So yeah, 1675 looks pretty good if it makes that break. If it makes that break. So keep an eye on that. If that pushes down, it'll probably push the Nasdaq up, and some of the growth securities will turn around, pop back up. So that's my spiel for the day. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Everybody, remember, calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. And oh, look, we're selling off a wee bit. We'll see. Just take a look at that at the end of the day. That daily, and see if you get a shooting star. You just want to see a doji. I mean, if it closes down, that's even more positive. But if we just get that little doji, that could be an indication that this uptrend stopped. And I'm not expecting anything drastic or for it to fall apart. I just really think that we'll trade down, maybe hit the 50%, which would be 4,400. You can easily expect 44.97, and then turn around and start its march up. But that's what we need to do to reverse this trend. I know I said goodbye, but thoughts have come to me. See, so we have higher highs and higher lows in this region, and then we made a higher low and a lower high. Boom, we broke that low to make a lower low. Now we're making a lower high. If we continue in a downtrend, we're going to make a lower low. We're in a bear market, which I just not feeling. If we make that higher low, we very well could break this high here and continue up. We're still in consolidation until we break this high right here. So anyway, that's the story. Again, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate your visit. Have a good evening.